I created this beautiful Instagram post for a cosmetic product. It's not my product, obviously, but I'm trying to show you how you can easily showcase your products on social media, and you're going to be doing it all for free within Canva. So to begin, we're going to create a new design, a customized size of 1080 by 1920. That's the size of the Instagram story and reels, etc. Now, with our blank document open, we need to start adding our elements. The first thing that we're going to be adding is the package for the product and the product itself. So go to uploads, and this is where you would click upload files and upload the files for your product. Since I already have them in here, I'm just going to go ahead and select first the package. Going to size it like this, and then I'm going to select the product, which I'm also going to just resize a bit. The next thing I want to do now is to just rotate them a little bit like this. So I'm rotating the package, and then I just want the product to be kind of like this on the package. They're looking a little bit small, so I'm going to select both of them and just make them a bit larger. Right, now that we're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and add the background. So under elements, I'm adding a square shape. I'm going to use it to cover the entire canvas. Then I'm going to right click and send to back. Now with the square selected, I can go up here to select color, and then I want to select one of the accent colors from the products that we have in the canvas. So I can select a color like this, but it is too bright. So now I can go to here under document colors and just change it up a bit like this to create a lighter shade. That works well. Now from here, what we need to do is to add a shadow to the product so that it can add dimension between the product label and the product itself. So if you have one thing in front of another and there's light, it's going to cast shadow. The first one is going to cast shadow on the second one, and so we need to depict that here as well. So with the product selected, go to edit image, shadows, and what you want to add is a backdrop shadow. Now click on the C controls button right here. Then we're going to shift the horizontal angle of the shadow to the left, just like this. And then we're going to just blur it out and add just a bit of transparency. So that is how we're going to just fake the shadow of this product here to be on the package. Now we need to add the floating effect, and then the way to do this is by adding the shadow to the bottom of the products. Go to uploads, and I already have a shadow here, but if you don't and you don't have Canva Pro, you will need to download one from any free stock sites online. The site that I got this one from is High Clip Art, and I'll leave the link below in the description. But once you download your shadow and you upload it to Canva, just select it, drag it below your product, just like this, and now I can decrease the transparency and just have it be very mild, sort of like that. Now we need to add the text over this product, and what we'll be doing is that viral they call it a Canva hack that I saw on TikTok, and I thought it was pretty cool So I wanted to just kind of show a use case for it as well. So add your text. I'm changing the color to white, and I want to change the font to something a little bit more fun like this, right? Now, how the effect works is by you having both a hollow text and a solid text. The solid text must be behind the subject, in this case, the package, and the hollow text must be in front of it. So let's go ahead and duplicate the text, drag it down a bit, and we're going to go to Effects, change it to hollow. The next thing we want to do is to send the solid one backward. So now it's behind the package, and then we can just drag the hollow one right back on top of it. And so if I click on the package now, for instance, I can just drag it across, and you see that's how it's done, in case you were wondering. So let me just put that back in place, and that's pretty much it. To finish this off now, you can go ahead and just add a call to action button. In this case, I'm going to add a shop now, so I can go to elements under lines and shape and clicking the rounded corner square, drag that down, resize it to make it look like a button, and I want to go to color and just add, let me see, yeah, I want a darker color for it. Maybe this will do, but just a little bit more on the brown edge, right? And then from here I can go ahead and add my text. So I wanted to say shop now. Change it to white, and I can then just add a little bit of pizzazz to it by changing the font, and that's pretty much it. Anything else you want to add to it, like your website or accent shapes, you can go ahead and do so, but the most important thing is to have images, good images of all your products with their background removed, so you can have a lot of versatility in how you actually create these things. And it can be done in just Canva, free vanilla Canva. Canva Pro, however, have some additional features that you can try out, but I want everybody to be able to recreate this and everything else that I'll be making. So I do hope this helped, and I wish you the best. Have a good day.